Welcome to another WordPress tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pricing table by using the free Subsistic pricing table plugin here. I'll leave a link down below, and also you can install this directly from your WP admin. Let's check out the screenshots. It's really cool with a bunch of different pricing comparison designs. So let's install it and check it out. Once it's done installing, click on activate. Okay, and the pricing table will be added to your menu over here, and you can click on add new table to show this screen right here. Let's create a table name, and now let's select a pricing table design, and we have a few to choose from, and these are the pro designs which you need to upgrade, but I think just the regular free designs are pretty cool too. Let's just stick with this one right here. Okay, and now you see your shortcode which you can use to add to your posts or pages, and down here is your pricing table. So it's pretty simple. You can click anywhere. So let's just and then you type in whatever the product name is or the plan. This is for web hosting, bandwidth, domains, disk space. So you can manually add in or change the numbers and whatever details into your own services or products. And down here, the link, let's highlight it and click on link. And here you can link to your checkout cards, or if you're an affiliate marketer, you can link to your affiliate link for whatever product you're trying to compare and sell. So that's pretty nice. And we can add column. So if I click on add column, it just added a new column right here, premium. Let's delete this column real quick. There it is. We can also drag and drop your columns just like that. It's really nice, nicely designed, easy to use. And you can also add in an image if you want. All you have to do is click on whatever you want to insert and click on image or video. Okay, so let's try that. There it is. And make sure everything is still aligned properly. And now you have some other options and details for design. And then the toggle option is you need to upgrade. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much all you need anyways. So let's save right here, save. So here's your shortcode. Let's copy this and add it to a post or page. All right, so I created this new post right here, and let's right click and paste in your shortcode just like that. And you can have other content on here as well, and the table will display wherever you post this shortcode. Let's click on preview. Okay, there it is. Very nice, very easy. It even highlights the pricing. It pops up. That's pretty cool. Highlights the plan, and then click on sign up now or order now, wherever you want to customize that with. So really cool and free plugin for price table comparison. Very impressed. Highly recommend it. I hope you find this useful. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments down below. And as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.